Hello, and welcome to How to Make a Ninja for Stop Motion Animation. For this activity, so in the end it's going to look kind of like this. That's the ninja, like moving arms and moving legs. You need a piece of black construction paper, orange construction paper, scissors, glue stick, pencil, and these guys, I don't even know what they're called, but you need 2 of those. All right, so you start out by making what I call French fries, which is just 5 strips, 2 legs, 2 arms, and a body. The goal is to do this fast because this is not art class, this is animation class. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe about this big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just go across. Great, 1, 2, don't need that anymore. 1, 2, oops, 3, 4, 5. Great, got my things. And then take 3 of them, the body and 2 legs, go like that. Take the scissor and poke a hole through all 3. Come on, get in there. You need pretty good scissors for that. And grab one of these guys, stick it through. All kinds of inappropriate jokes available right now. I will say none of them. Come on, get in there. Wow. That didn't go well. Wow, okay. So if that doesn't work, I'll do individual. 1, 2, and 3. All right, and then 1, straighten this guy out. 1, 2, and this guy goes 3. And do that thing. Ah, God, this is not good. All right, there it is. There's my legs. Ooh, that was really not very good. Oh well, there's my legs. All right, arms, same drill. The one mistake you can make with the arms, you can't put them at the top because that's where the head goes. So you got to put them down, not at the top, bring them down like an inch. So, and I would put them in back. So, I did these wrong actually. These are in front. I should really put them in the back. That was a mistake. Oh well. So go like that. I'm gonna flip it over, make a hole. Get in there. Again, this probably would be better if I did it separately, but I think, it's one of those things where you think you're doing it faster and you're really doing it slower. Oh yeah, it comes in from the front. And then you fold. Great. All that's left is the head. I do orange because, you don't want to do, some neutral skin color. Nobody's orange, right? Except for Donald Trump, right? So make a circle. I just use any circle maker. I'm going to use a tea candle real fast. And then I'm going to do it on this one, make a circle. All right, cut them out. Wow, yeah, I'm rushing a little bit here. This is not going to come out great, but it'll be good enough. I'm going to fast forward through some parts of this movie. Oh, come on. Actually, the orange one you need to make a little smaller so it doesn't bleed over the edges. So I'm going a little bit inside the circle on this one. I'm going to intentionally do it wrong. See, if you don't do it smaller, it pokes out a little bit. So you want to cut the orange down a little bit. And then you make the little mask. The way I do the mask, again, for simplicity, I cut in a little bit, and then I do a little oval. But to keep it one piece, I don't go all the way to the edge. So I end up with something, like I really didn't do that well, like that. And then where's my orange? Take my orange, put on glue stick, put them behind the black. That's pretty good. And then where's my guy? Glue stick on there, on the neck. Put the head on. Bam. There's my ninja. If you want to be fancy, you can give him knees and elbows, but that's quite a bit more work. and it's harder to animate too. And then look at that, bam, bam, and you can just have click, hello, click, 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 hello, click, 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 click. Now is the time. Oh, it's shaking when they talk. Now is the time when we duel. Let's go. And then like click, 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 flume, dodge, 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 land. Lunge punch. Click, 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 click. Lunge punch. And give it some kind of ending like, can't we all get along? Yeah, why are we fighting? Let's go to Chipotle. And then they walk off stage. You get the general idea. If you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Get on with your bad ninja self, and we'll see you next time.